Hey y'all, it's me, Kaden here. I'm gonna be doing a video. The people over there. Oh crap, my finger's in the way. People over there. Let's focus the people over there. I control the cats. They're gone. They are gone. People live right there in that White House right there. They are gone. I just saw them leave. They're not gone forever. They're just gone. Oh crap, that scared me. So I found my face. OMG, my finger needs to get out the dang stinking way. 'Cause there's a cat in the road. Oh, if you see that white thing, I'm trying to zoom. I can't zoom in. That is straight up just adorable. Oh, they're not down there. If you just look in that yard, you can see a dang cat. See me walking this way? Looking like I'm playing Pokemon. Oh, there's so many dang cats over there. Do you see that, peeps? Do you see that, people? They have like 3 cats over there right now. One just jumped. Please tell me I got that on camera. You see the cats? Beautiful cats. Beautiful cats. And we're checking if they have babies today. I feel like they do have babies. I feel like there's gonna have a baby over here somewhere. They have a baby. They have a baby. Sorry, I just got serious. I thought I saw that car. Wait, did that cat run over? The cat just got run over. OMG! Did you see that? Did you see that, peeps? If you look right there, you could see a baby kitten. Crap, the sun. The sun is dang terrible. But do you see that, peeps? I'm trying to get it up close without it running into that hole again. A baby kitten. I'm probably gonna make it run. We have more than one baby cat here. It's adorable. Do you see that, baby kitten? Do you? Please tell me you do. What happens if I take a step? Oh, it gets scared. There's a step. It has 2 different color eyes. That's amazing. I better run. Pretty sure those people saw me. They were thinking I was abusing something. Oh, that was literally too funny. Dang, the sun's bright. That looks so cool on my tablet. That's the sun. That the sun looks like on a tablet. Dang. That's making me cry. Dang. Should I go back there? I think I should go back there. That was adorable. And did you see that thing run so fast? Now like a black baby kitten. Hope I don't get kidnapped. If I did, I'm definitely not blocking out the face. I'm gonna be full up and dang stinking. That food was you know what? H-E-L-L. I wonder if the baby is still there. Now I have a catchy tune. I make it for you. I have a very catchy tune. I really like it and I don't know why. It's a tune to ding song. Is it your and y'all? What happens if I walk close to this thing? Any kittens showing? Sorry, guys just touched my leg and scared some crap on me. There's a beautiful kitty over there. Oh, there's a beautiful butterfly. Can't see it though. There's so many cats over here. I wonder if there's a cat in that hole. The cat's absolutely everywhere. I'm sweating. The sun looks so beautiful. Whenever it's on the camera, oh, boop, boop, there's my fingers. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm about to run into a dang trash can. Curse you, trash can. I'm about to run into a dang trash can. Dang, the sun's so bright. I just want to take off my shirt for some reason. I can't, because I'm a girl. Some days I wish I was a boy, some days I wish I was a girl. I wish we didn't have a gender so we could take off our shirts. Is that a dead frog? That's a dead frog. Disgusting. How many dead animals are in this street? That's another dead frog. How many dead frogs are in this dang street? That scared me. If y'all can't see that, I'm sorry for ya. If you don't like to see animals dead, don't look. That's a dead frog. And another. It's just totally wrong. You should have seen that dead possum over there. Not to get that on tape. Hey, what is that over there? Is that a leaf? What is that? I really hope that ain't a bird. Is that a bird? No, they can't be a bird. This can is up. What is it? Oh, it's a pine cone. There's so many dang things over here that's dead. I'm surprised I found 2 frogs dead. And the dogs are out. They can scare the crap out of me. I got scared. Should I run? Once he barks, I'm gonna run. Crap. This is the dog. Once he barks, I must run until I get to the end of the street. Dang, yo, I'm just trying to... It had a car scared the crap out of me. Dang, I've been walking around for 7 minutes. More than that, actually. Let's turn on the camera. I want to go into the ditch so bad, but it has water in it. Ow! I think I'm hitting puberty. I just want to go in the ditch. Let me go into the ditch. But I want to go into the ditch, but I can't, because look at that. And there's some pretty good dang sticks in there. I can't go in there. Just thinking a bear would be running through there. Dun, 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 dun. Oh crap, this one. Should I start running or what? Wait, if someone starts chasing me, I'm putting my tablet behind me and then posting the video. I don't care. I'm just gonna be posting the video no matter what. I'm gonna show you a dead possum. It should have been crashed. I made a video, but I did not show it. I can't remember if I actually showed it. Probably not. Now it got like torn into like different pieces. Ugh. It's like disgusting. Oh crap. I almost got hit in the face with a bug. I was just terrified to like turn the corner. It went all the way back there. It was like right here. Somewhere around this area, but now it's all the way up there. That's disgusting. It's like disgusting. A little possum was like right here somewhere. No, it was right there. If you do not like to see dead animals, do not look. That's some fuzz from it. Is that fuzz or the possum? That's the possum. Look, it got like torn into different pieces, or is that rock? That's definitely a possum. Look at some more. It smells. I'm about to just barf. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. I almost just barfed into the smell. Is that the animal? No. I'm just walking around now. See if I see some more kittens. My dad's calling me. My dad's calling me, and I see another cat. Ew, something touched my leg. Ew. A cat. We should dang block the dang view. So bright on my screen. Oh, I just passed the possum again. Yeah. I'm right here. Dad. Yo, Dad. There's a cat over there. If you can see it. Wait a second. Can you all see the cat? Nope. You cannot. I can't film that much right here. I feel like just someone's gonna snatch me right up. Totally just ride past me and then snatch up and pull me through the window. Crazy thoughts. Well, I'm gonna end it when I get in my room. Maybe I might do something funny in my room or not. I'm definitely gonna belly flop on my bed. Belly flop. I should be able to do a backflip but not land it. But now I can't do that no more. What are those? What are those? Oh crap, I can't. Ew, a bug touched my leg. What are those? Oh crap, my fingers. What are those? What are those? And what are these? Oh crap. What are those? What are those? What are those? And what are these? Shoot. What is those? What are those? What are
Well, babe, you're next.
I have the camera on, you know.
Go, babe.
I'm making a video. Me?
Yes, Hayden's bathing, now it's you.
It's supposed to be Ethan.
And then Ethan.
No, I bathed first yesterday.
No, Hayden, you, Ethan. It's normally Ethan, Hayden, Caden. But since it's Hayden's first, you're second, Ethan's third. Now go.
Yeah, I told him I would end the video in my room. Arguing with my dad. If you could read this, read it. Tell me what it says in the comment. Okay. You can pause the video for it. Wait, I'm just trying to get a belly flop on my bed now. Dun 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 dun. I'm sorry if you guys can't see. Trying to let y'all see me belly flopping on my bed. Well, now we're gonna end the video, y'all. Yeah, I forgot I did about nothing. Well, bye guys. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Crap. Bye guys. Oh yeah, before I leave, I want to give a shout out to Logan and Lexi, the other Lexi. Sarah, of course, Landon, Paul, Trevor, Trey. Those are all my friends. Can't believe I'm doing this, but Lillian. Lillian, if you're watching this, I still don't like you. But Sarah convinced me. Why does my legs look so pale in this? My legs look so pale, but they're actually really tan. Dang, my hand's really tan, actually. What are those? Oh, crap. What are those? What are those? Oh, okay. What are those? What are those? Dun, 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 dun. If I have something frozen, that's from whenever I was a kid. Like, I got this whenever I was called. It's broken. When did I get this? When I was like 9. No, 8. I got this when I was 8. I used to love Frozen. Now I hate it. Oh my gosh, I remember this. I got this for last Christmas. And I have not opened it until I got to this house. Yeah, it was funny. Oh my gosh, I got this for my birthday. Got this for my birthday. Whenever I was 9, I went to a show and I got this. Dun 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 dun. Oh crap, it went. Well, bye guys. Dun, 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 dun. I'm coming. Dun, 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 dun. Bye, guys. Bye.